Hey guys, it's me, Master Jaga 6, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you my fidget collection. Woo! I'll get to this one last. So, first, we got this, my puppet. And I'm just doing it and I'll be fast. Okay, that was my puppet, and now I got the infinity cube. Infinity cube, infinity cube, infinity cube, infinity cube. Oop, oop. And then we've got another infinity cube. And then we got my simple dimple. Yeah! And that was my fidget collection. And I'm going to be going outside on the trampoline. What? Oh wait, no, that'll be, I'll do the trampoline one after I eat macaroni.